Here's a little sneak peek of our bathrooms we just had done. I'm so impressed with them. I'll be uploading a video soon about what we did. All right, I am going to brush my teeth. This is the toothbrush that I have. It is by Fairywill and it is really, really good. I love this toothbrush. It has 5 different settings and it came in a family pack. Basically, the family pack comes with 3 different toothbrushes. So I have an adult version. This is my husband's. I have the pink one. My kids have these, and I think that this one is cute because it looks like a little bunny. They are all battery powered and they all have 5 different settings. You can see the different settings here. And what I truly love about this is that it has a sensitive setting. You can't tell from the camera, but I have like slight receding gums. And so what that means is that I have really sensitive teeth, and cold water, brushing your teeth hurts. And I think a lot of it is from the past. I would just brush like really hard and it's really hurt my gums. So I love this brush because it's really soft. When I turn it on, you can hear the different settings, but it's very gentle and it cleans my teeth and it feels just like it does at the dentist. When you come back from the dentist and your teeth are super clean, that's what this feels like. So thank you to Fairywill for sending these to my family. We have had them for about 5 weeks now and I'm a really big fan. So I'm going to brush my teeth and I'll insert a clip of my kids using this toothbrush, and maybe I could get a clip of my husband. They come with different heads. I like this one for travel. Put it on. I like to keep our chargers and extra like teeth heads back here. And that's it.